Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is eberechiayogu. Welcome to eberechiayogu Head to the channel that teaches you about infectious agents and the diseases that they cause. Today I want to talk about a virus called Epstein-Barr virus, EBV in abbreviation. Epstein-Barr virus is from the same family with HSV, the one I talked previously some weeks ago. So Epstein-Barr virus is from the family of virus herpes viridae. It is also called human herpes virus 4. I remember that HSV 1 and 2, the simplex virus 1 and 2 is the one that I've talked about, because I told you that in that herpes viridae there is about 8 genus that infect human, of which I am going to be taking it one by one until I finish all the genus that are in that family. So today I want to talk about human herpes virus 4, which is Epstein-Barr virus. This Epstein-Barr virus has the same transmission mode with HSV 1 and 2. Their mode of transmission is through saliva. So anything that will make saliva come in contact with your mouth, an infected saliva come in contact with your mouth, will give you this Epstein-Barr virus, such as kissing, sharing kitchen utensils such as cups, spoons, or plates that are not properly washed or sanitized after using by infected person. So this EBV is a senior brother to HSV 1 and 2 because EBV causes malignancy. They are carcinogenic, so they can cause cancer. They causes different cancer, and the worst part of it is that it attacks the immune system. So it attacks the immune system and causes cancer to the immune system, like B cells. So when this virus enter your mouth, because this virus has affinity for epithelial cells, so it will now attach itself using its glycoprotein on the body, and it attaches it to the cellular receptor on the cell, and the cell that it used to attach to, the cellular receptor it uses to attach to, is called CD21. So when it now attach to this CD21, it will be able to enter into your mouth, into your cell, and start invading the immune system. So this infection is majorly childhood infection. Everybody that is infected, almost 95% of the people that are infected as a young person, as a child. And when this thing enters the body, it has 2 stages of infection. The first infection is called lytic infection. That is when it will now enter your body and start manifesting immediately. So when you get this thing previously as a child, you will suffer what is called infection mononucleosis. This infection mononucleosis, after suffering this infection mononucleosis, the virus will now enter what is called latent stage, and where it will enter this latent stage is in the B cell. So when it enter the B cell, it will start transforming the B cell and making it it will reduce its apoptic capability to not, the infected B cell will not die again, and will start proliferating and bringing more and more infected B cell, and this will start causing different types of cancers in your body, such as B cell lymphoma. It causes Hodgkin lymphoma, gastric carcinoma, all sorts of cancers, and the worst part is that it is attacking our immune cells. So as a child, when you get this infection, after suffering infection mononucleosis and the virus enter the latent stage, it can stay there for about 15 years. Then at that 15 years, it will now come out, it will now be coming out from a latent place and be expressing different proteins that will lead to production of cancers in different sites of our neck, head and neck. It is called head and neck cancer. So when this thing starts, it can be something on your neck that will come on the lymph node. The cancer will grow at the position of your lymph node at your neck or your head, any part of your head or any part of your mouth or your nose. So this where the cancers will grow. So this is a very serious one, and it's a very dangerous one, and you have to take it seriously. And the worst part of it is that it does not have cure and there's no vaccine for it. So it is management of this infection. Though this infection can stay, many people will just suffer this infection and their own will not grow into malignancy. They will just fight it off and the virus will go. But few unlucky people, or some people are unlucky that their own will now progress into malignancy, and it is a very dangerous thing because there's no cure for the EBV. Though the cancer itself can be cured, but the virus will still be in the latent state and it can still continue causing infection to the carrier. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.